Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie, and in this lesson, we are going to be looking at one word and one word only. And this word is the preposition from. Now, my students have so much difficulty using this little preposition, so I decided to prepare a little lesson and a lot of sample sentences to help them and you learn how to use this word from. So let's get our little work screen, and this is what we'll be working with tonight. Let me bring this bigger. Okay, how to use from. From is a little preposition that confuses all of my students every day, all day, and even on Saturdays and Sundays. But as you could have guessed, it's so easy to use. And this is how and when we use from. It is used to demonstrate the point in time or space where or when an activity or action begins. The starting point of a physical movement of a person or object. When a person or object is the source of something. When a person gives, sends, or provides something to someone else. Where someone currently lives or lived in the past. Question: does it get easier than that? And the answer is no, it doesn't. So let's look at some sample sentences using from. Where are you from? I'm from Montreal, Canada. The coffee shop is open from 5 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday. We can see the ships from here. From that day forward, she never spoke to him again. We get nutrients and energy from food. I picked these beautiful tomatoes from my garden. I can't believe I heard those words spoken from your mouth. She borrowed a cup of sugar from her neighbor. We will be in a meeting from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Her children were absent from school all last week. It takes about 30 minutes to walk from my house to the bank. I got these beautiful gold earrings from my aunt for my birthday. I'm so tired from cleaning the house all day. I will go to bed early tonight. His poor attitude and lack of work ethic kept him from being promoted to manager. Is your house far from here? I heard it from John. I think he is trying to hide something from you. We got the cold, fresh water from the spring. The rain droplets were dripping from the trees and onto my head. He took a few dollars from his pocket and gave them to the homeless man. He pushed that horrible thought from his mind. Where did this come from? She got up from her chair and went into the kitchen to answer her phone. I could see him from the corner of my eye. When she came home from work, she realized that she hadn't locked the front door. In a few weeks from now, she will have forgotten all about it. I usually listen to music from the 80s. He emerged from the burning building holding 3 little kittens in his arms. Get away from me. The story he told us couldn't have been farther from the truth. Before she went on stage, she straightened her dress and wiped the tears from her eyes. I can't wait to open the gift from my boyfriend. I would really like to have some help from you guys. We couldn't wait to get away from them. I could tell from his appearance that he wasn't feeling well. The people come from miles around to shop at the farmer's market. The strange sounds are coming from the attic. I took a good book from the top shelf and sat in my favorite comfortable chair and read it all night. He's only a few years away from retirement. From now on, I will be deducting marks for spelling mistakes. I received an email from the client. From the day he was born, he was trouble. He fell from the treehouse and broke his leg. I haven't heard from him in years. We didn't get an answer from them. She got a loan from the bank to consolidate her debts. Her eyes were red and swollen from crying all night. We couldn't get a sensible answer from her. After she graduated from college, she moved to New York to pursue an acting career. The men escaped from prison. I borrowed $100 from my friend. And that's how easy it is to use the preposition from. So, excuse me, if you still have difficulties with that, just do the video again and again until you get it, because it's really quite simple. From. If you like that video, you can, if that video helped you, you can put a like on it. You can like the video and you can subscribe to my channel and you can leave a comment down below. If you guys want to improve your English quickly, you can get a copy of Basic English. This is the 3rd edition, published and distributed everywhere in the world by McGraw-Hill. This is a great workbook that will really help you to improve your English very quickly, very rapidly, full of great exercises and vocabulary words to help you really build quickly. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. If you need some help with your English verb tenses, you can get yourself a copy of English verb tenses, also available everywhere and on Amazon, of course. A great workbook full of vocabulary words and all of the verb tenses that you need to know to master your English. Answer key at the back to support you while you are learning. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys for tonight. So have a pleasant rest of the evening, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So good night for now.